How to pay contactless with Revolut. For this, first and foremost, open up your Revolut application and make sure that it is up to date. You can easily get your application via your Play Store or an App Store. Now make sure that you are logged in to your Revolut app. To pay contactless, you have to connect your card either to your Apple Pay or your Google, so make sure that you have connected either one of those options. Now from here, you have to select a sale type, that is tap to pay on iPhone. Once you tap on it, you can go to your card security option. From here, you will see the option of contactless payment. You simply have to go ahead and toggle it on. Once you tap on it, your contactless payment has been enabled, and there won't be any trace of your payment regardless of where you have paid. If you cannot see such option, make sure that your application is the latest version. For that, open your App Store or Play Store and search for Revolut. If there is any update present, leave it for an update. If not, you can offload your application through your iPhone, or if you are using an Android, press and hold the application to head to your app info and make sure to clear the cache, by which you might see this option as well. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.